Hey there, if you want to know how to see who follows you on Snapchat using your iPhone or Android, for that first you have to open up your Snapchat app and head over to your profile. And now if you have set up a public profile, go ahead and select that. And from here you will see how many people are following you. Now to dig a little deeper, open the Inside section and scroll down. You will find your total followers count there. But there's the thing, Snapchat doesn't give you a full list of followers. To get a better idea of who is actually following you, go back to your profile, then scroll to My Friends and hit that. Snapchat doesn't have a separate follower list like Instagram or TikTok, but this is the best way to figure it out. I hope this guide helpful, like the video and subscribe for more tips.